Okay. We are actually playing it. Nice. What's up, guys? It's me. What's up, guys? It's me. Holy crap, am I on the moon? This is me. Okay, now I actually see what my friend... Yeah, this is harder than it looks. I thought it was gonna be easier. Now I'm just scratching the wall. Let me up! Let me up! I'm actually regretting this. I'm actually regretting this. They make it seem easy, but right now it's like bullcrap. Why can't they just make the freaking physics like more like? This is too hard. Why don't they make it easier? Holy crap. And then I found another way. Oh, frick. Awesome sauce. This is gonna take a while. Frick. Why do you make it look easy? They make it look. Why do they make it look so easy in the tutorial? But I mean, inside the like, what it looks like. But it's really bullcrap. So it turns out I wasn't actually supposed to be pressing the grip button. Oh, I got this one already. Yeah. Yeah, I'm supposed to use that to pick things up, I guess. Yeah. Oh, I got this one in the bag. Why won't it go in? It won't go in. Let it... Okay, there we go. We can just do that. I know my squares and my triangles and my octagons. Is this supposed to go in here? Oh, that's supposed to be the circle, and that's supposed to be the octagon. And that's supposed to be the triangle. He smells like fish. Gimme. You're coming with me, fishy. I've taken the fish. You're coming with me, fishy. That was good naps. Hi, Grandma. Ooh, can I play with your vacuum cleaner? Or whatever it is. I'm not gonna stop. Hey, newbie. Hi, Fluffy Joe, neighbor. Are you new to the neighborhood? If you want to join our cat gang, you have to. I want to change it to the dance channel. Yeah. Mole lever. I'm gonna do the books. Where's the bookshelf? I see that bookshelf anywhere. Oh, frick. I always throw my controller. God dang it. It's basically a part of me. I always throw my controller. Oh my god, I'm levitating. Somebody help. Somebody help. There we go. Yeah, screw your old novels, Grandma. Should I drop kick her? Oh, that's right. Where did she go? She was just here a minute ago. Oh, I found you, Grandma. Look what I found, Grandma. Oh my god, I killed her. That's right. I'm boss of this house. She gonna wake up? Uh-oh. Ah! She came after me. Still coming? Should I drop kick her off the stairs? Heck yeah. But first I'm gonna recreate a legend. I'm gonna recreate a legend for the ages. FFACDD. Oh no, D hashtag. So that's F A C D D. Hi, Grandma. Sorry for drop kicking you earlier. I was just having some fun. Hi, Grandma. Scratching your feet. Is there a whack-a-mole machine? There is a whack-a-mole machine. I did 30. How's the house? You think you've broken too much? Just go to bed. I always do that, and the house is as good as new afterwards. I'm gonna drop kick Grandma and then I'll go to sleep. Oh my god, it's Squidward! Fish. I'm getting that fish, one way or another. I'm getting that fish. I'm getting that fish. I'm getting that fish. One way or another. I want to get that fish. Give me that fish. Give me fish. Eat. Give me. Okay. I'm tired of this. I'm drop kicking Grandma. Time to go to bed now. Anyway. I'm gonna do 2 more days. Good morning, rookie. Test agility, you're safe in the house, but outdoors will be tricky. We'll start it with a few simple tasks. Climb to the top shelf of the refrigerator, touch 6 paintings, play a melody on the piano. Oh. I know a melody on the piano. I'm messing with Grandma's antiques now. Is that a fish? I'm messing with her antiques. Her antiques, they're nothing. Her antiques mean nothing to me. Oh. Fish. Fish! Hello, Mr. Fishy. Hi there, Mr. Fishy. I'll put you on my plate. Wait, where'd the fish go? Grandma, I found a fish! Grandma, I found a fish! I found a fish! Grandma, I found a fish! That's the fish. Whee! Yeah, get dropkick, Grandma. Ah, frick. No, she has the frying pan. No. Grandma. Touch more paintings. I touched your painting, Grandma. There we go. Yay. The highest point of the house. Aha. I got it. Ow. I am very scared because I do not know what I am doing. Nah. No, stop putting your arm through it. I'm almost there. Almost there. I keep missing that last one. Get me up here. Grandma. Pop. Ooh, rate us to unlock golden claws. I want golden claws. How do I leave a review? Ah, heck yes. Ow, hot! Well, hello, min lady. Well, I'm kind of tired, so if you guys want me to play more of this, or if I find some secrets that I want to do, then I'll do it. And for one good last time before my headset dies, toodaloo, grandma, woo-hoo! Yeah! Yeah! Woo!